Guys, if you ever were interested in a wig, this is the wig. Hey fam bam, it's Sienna. Today we're reviewing this gorgeous wig. Spoiler alert, it's amazing. I was not expecting such a find, but this truly is such a shock, such a pleasure. $196. You guys know I have reviewed countless wigs. This has got to be what it is for the price, the best one. Okay, all right, I'll stop rambling. All right, let's get this review underway. All right, you guys, here's my bag. My wig in a bag by Dainaer. They do give you a wig cap. Here's our wig. It just slid right down. Ooh, it has this big, heavy duty holder, like to hold it on your head. Oh, this hairline looks real as Look at that. That looks like a straight up scalp, baby. Oh my God, and she's already like perfectly curled. My fingers are going straight through the hair like it's so soft. I wonder if this is the original curl pattern or if they curled it before they put it in the bag. I don't know. First things first, I have to cut this off. You guys all know that you need to cut the lace off like really close to the edge. Okay, we're back. I cut off all the lace. I put my hair in two low little bun thingies, and now we're gonna put on the wig cap, stuff all my hair up in there. Make sure your ear is out because that's gonna hurt if you leave it up in there. And then my trusty wig grip headband. This thing definitely helps your hair to stay in the wig. Place it here and then pull it around. There's got to be little clips in here. Yes, there's a clip. So I'm just gonna put it under the headband, and there's got to be one on this side. Yep, here it is. Can you see it? Right there. I'll put it underneath of the headband. You don't have to like glue anything down. Okay, so these are the little sideburn parts that you would probably have to glue down. I might cut this off because me personally, I don't really need it because my hair is like dark in my sideburns. So for now, I'm just gonna tuck it under, like flip it up. Otherwise, you're gonna see like that little flap. You could also pin it. What I like to do is put mascara in here or dark eyeshadow to really make it look extra dark and blend in. Wow, this hair is stunning. So cute and so real. I didn't even pluck the hairline yet, you guys. Like I did nothing to the hairline. That's insane. Like you literally don't even have to do anything. So I might put some makeup in here just to kind of like enhance that line. I just take some concealer and a very small brush and just like paint. And then you kind of got to get the little baby hairs that got some of the makeup on it. You got to get that off. So I'm just licking Q-tips so I can get the makeup off of the hairs themselves so it stays only in the part. Like right here, there's still some in the hairs. That looks better. You can see that part and how good it is. I kind of feel like she needs like layers in the front. And then we also need to take her for a test drive and see if she curls. Let me tell you about this wig really quick. We'll pop up these little deets. This one is 26 inches, 180 density, 13 by 6 lace front. What that means is that it is 13 inches across and 6 inches deep for the parting space. So they also have a 13 by 4, which would be less of a part. So you can part it wherever you want. So technically we can part it on the side, but because it's like laid down like this, it's already kind of ready and in place to be a middle part. But if I wanted to, I could part it on the side over here. Yeah, you can see that there's still the lace there as well. So you could make side parts, but you have options with this wig, which is nice. I'm gonna cut some angles in the front. I am not a hairstylist, okay, but I just know what looks pretty decent on me. So I'm gonna hold the hair out and I'm just gonna cut at an angle like this till it meets down with the rest of the hair. Start kind of around like my chin, and I'm just gonna create little angles and some of the hair is gonna come out. So now some of the hair is a lot shorter right here. I'm gonna keep going. Oh my God, you guys, my lap is just filled with hair. This looks so ridiculous. I gotta show you this. Oh my God, that looks horrific. Okay, so this side is a lot harder for me. Pull the hair out and just boop, 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 boop. Hairdressers are probably horrified watching me do this right now. It's fine, you guys. It'll be okay. So now there are some shorter pieces here. I just want a little bit so that when I curl it, it like frames my face a little bit better. I think I actually need to use my vacuum. You guys need a good vacuum. This one is so good by Dyson. It's like called the Animal or something like that. I love this thing. I would like die without it. Okay, it curls really nicely. Like, look at these curls and how pretty they are. We just need some of the curls to go up higher, you know what I'm saying? I think that looks a lot prettier than just being like straight down like this. It goes off and flows in with the curls. It's so dark. I'm like, can you even see? With black hair, sometimes it's really hard to see what's going on. But let's keep going. Let's do a couple more. I'm trying to show the difference between these curls on this side and these curls on this side, which is the natural way that the wig came, which is still really, really pretty, but it just looks like more like that could be your natural texture. You just woke up, air dried it. But this one is more like polished. It looks like you actually curled your hair, because I did. And now this piece is flowing back into the hair because we cut it short, dialed it back away from the face instead of just like this. So I'm excited to do this side as well. Hopefully you can tell the difference of these two sides. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing the rest of it. If you ever wanted to try a wig out but were unsure, this is the time. This is the wig to get. Holy moly, you guys. Look at how stunning this looks. It's voluminous, it's bouncy, it's holding the curl. There's not even any hairspray in this. Look at the back of this beautiful wig. Hold on. Is this not the prettiest thing you've ever seen? It's like still thick, still full, but not heavy on your head, which is nice. I hate that feeling when wigs just feel like so incredibly heavy that you just don't even want to wear them. Ah, it looks so natural. It looks like my hair. And this wig is under $200. What? Like, this is literally probably the best wig I have ever found for the price tag. $200 for all this hair, this length, and a lace front with that headband thing that goes underneath to hold it on your head. Like, what? I honestly can't even believe how good this is, especially for the price. I thought this would have been like a $400 wig minimum. So they definitely have a lot of different types of wigs on the website you can check out. It comes from AliExpress. I'm actually in shock and disbelief right now. I was kind of half expecting it to be like kind of whack, you know? But this truly is such a shock, such a pleasure. $196. This has got to be what it is for the price, the best one. Yeah. So the link will be down below in the description box, along with any discount codes. Make sure that you like this video. If you get this wig, you better hashtag me, Sienna Spalding, on Instagram so that I can see it, please. And we can be twinning. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video really soon. Bye.